Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Data and Model Versioning, Keeping Your AI's Evolution Organized. Imagine you're writing a super important document, like a game design document or a crucial project report. You save it, then make changes. If you mess up, you wish you could magically go back to an earlier, perfect version. That's versioning. It's like having multiple save points in a video game, or keeping all the different drafts of a book. For developers, we use tools like Git to version our code, tracking every single change. This is crucial for collaboration, finding bugs, and being able to revert to a stable version if something goes wrong. It brings order to chaos. Building AI is fundamentally different from building traditional software. While traditional software is mostly about the code you write, AI is unique because it learns from data. Think of your AI model like a student, and the data it learns from is its textbooks. If you change the textbooks, the student's understanding, the AI's behavior, changes. This means that for AI, we're not just tracking changes to our code, but also changes to the data it learns from and the trained AI model itself. This living aspect makes versioning extra complex and incredibly important. Imagine your AI as a chef, and the data you feed it are its ingredients. Data versioning is like keeping a detailed, time-stamped record of every ingredient list you've ever used. Did you use fresh tomatoes or canned? Were they organic? Which farm did they come from? If your AI, the chef, makes a dish that tastes weird, the very first thing you check is the ingredients. Data versioning means you can always go back and see exactly which dataset, ingredients, a specific AI model was trained on. This is absolutely vital for debugging, understanding behavior, and ensuring fairness in your AI. After your AI, the chef, uses the ingredients, data, and follows your recipe, code, to cook a dish. It produces a result, a trained AI model, the actual dish itself, perhaps chef's best pasta v1.0. Model versioning is like taking a picture of every dish your chef ever made, along with notes about how it tasted and what customers thought. You might have spicy curry version 2.1 or new burger v3.0. This allows you to track how your AI model changes over time. Compare different versions to see which performs best, and even quickly revert to an older, more stable version if a new one causes problems in the real world. This is where it all comes together. In AI, a specific AI model version is almost always tied directly to a specific data version. You can't just say, I used model v2, without also knowing, trained on data version 3. It's like saying, I baked a cake using recipe v2, but forgetting to mention, I used the spoiled milk from ingredient list v1. For truly reliable and reproducible AI, developers need to know that model X, trained with data Y, from a specific date, gave result Z. This ensures that when someone else tries to replicate or understand your AI's behavior, they use the exact same ingredients and process, leading to consistent results. So, how do developers actually do all this versioning for data and models? Well, we use Git for code. For the vast, often changing datasets and trained models, there are specialized tools. Think of them as super smart librarians for your AI project. They don't just track changes to files, but also understand the relationship between datasets, code, and models. These tools help automate the tracking of versions, storing metadata, like who made the change, when, and why, so developers can focus on building better AI rather than manually remembering every little detail. It's about bringing the discipline of software engineering to the dynamic world of AI. So, why go through all this trouble? Data and model versioning might sound like extra work, but it's absolutely critical for building robust, reliable, and trustworthy AI. It allows you to debug problems quickly and accurately, easily reproduce past results for consistency, experiment safely with new ideas without fear of breaking things, collaborate effectively with others on complex projects, and ensure your AI is fair, transparent, and accountable. In essence, it transforms AI development from a chaotic experiment into a structured, predictable engineering process, letting you build AI that truly makes a positive difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.